Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Windows Update for driver updates properly step by step clearly. Open your Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu. Select the gear icon to access the settings window. In the settings window, click on Update and Security. On the left side, choose Windows Up. Scroll down to the section labeled Optional Updates. Ensure the checkbox for Receive Updates for other Microsoft products is selected. This allows Windows to update not only the operating system but also drivers and other Microsoft software. Return to the Windows Update section. Click on Check for Updates. Windows will now search for available updates, including driver. If any updates are found, they will be listed in the main window. You may see driver updates listed under Driver Updates or Optional Updates. Click the Download and Install button to begin the installation of selected updates. Wait for the updates to download and install. Once the installation is complete, you may need to restart your computer. After restarting, check Windows Update again to ensure all updates have been installed. You can also access the Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the categories to find the hardware you want to update. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search for the latest driver online. If it finds an update, it will download and install it automatically. After the installation, restart your computer if prompted. This will ensure that all driver updates are properly configured and running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.